Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make a beautiful marinara sauce. A marinara sauce is a lot quicker than a traditional spaghetti sauce and has fewer ingredients. So in my spaghetti sauce, I also put carrots and celery and cook it for a really long time. And marinara sauce just has beautiful tomatoes, onion, garlic, and seasonings. And I'm going to use a combination of tomato sauce and crushed tomatoes because I like a bit of chunkiness in my sauce. So we're going to get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
I have a large pan over medium heat, and to it I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. We want to make sure it coats the bottom, so you can tilt the pan and make sure it coats. And then we're going to warm it up for about 30 seconds before we add in our onion and garlic. Now that the oil has heated up, I'm going to add in my 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and I measured it so it's 1 tablespoon. And we're going to saute this until it's light golden, and then we'll add in our onion. We've got some really nice golden brown color on our garlic, so now we're going to add in our finely chopped Spanish onion. That was 1 large Spanish onion, and we're going to saute this until it is tender and translucent. So unfortunately, I just opened my cans, and I've never used Vitelli crushed tomatoes before, so I didn't realize it. They're really not as chunky as I'd like, so I do happen to have another can of crushed tomatoes. I'm going to use this one. Okay, that's better. You see how this is much chunkier? We've got chunks of tomato in it. That's what I'm looking for in our crushed tomatoes. So we're going to use red pack crushed tomatoes, not the Vitelli. I'll just save this for another recipe that I'm making. So our onions, but they're even getting a little bit of golden brown color on it, so we want to add in now our seasonings. This is 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and my mom always showed me to crush it up, so I forgot to crush up the oregano, but it's because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. Usually I crush it between my 2 hands, rubbing it together. So this is 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings and 1 teaspoon of basil. So let's crush that up a little bit, get that in there. Stir that around. You want to heat up the seasonings to bring out the flavor. And ooh, boy, does that smell fantastic. Ooh, yummy. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And a 1/2 teaspoon of our kosher sea salt. Plain table salt is fine if you don't have kosher salt or kosher sea salt. I tend to make most of my stuff low in sodium, so you could even make that 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt if you prefer. And then I'm going to get this sauteed just a little bit longer before we add in our tomato. And now I'm going to add in my 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. See how chunky that is? That's what we're looking for. All those nice chunks. And our 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. So we're going to stir this together, bring it to a simmer, and let it simmer for about a 1/2 hour, and it'll be done. This has been simmering for a 1/2 hour, and you can see, look how nice and thick it is. This looks absolutely delicious. Wow, look at all that. So let's get this on a plate of spaghetti. Ooh, I spilled a little. I love marinara sauce, so I put a lot on my plate, as you can see. Oh, this looks absolutely delicious, and it smells so good. So let me take a bite. Oh, that was so delicious. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all the recipes on the YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.